Welcome to Geeks4x4. Today we are going to open up this tire repair kit that I bought. It ships in this package exactly like this, and the Amazon tape and everything like that. You can get discreet packaging, but I decided not to. Let's see what this is. This is CTR, it looks like is the name of the brand here, and it's got a little user manual, and then it's got this nice box. Not a small box, so if you're looking for a tiny box, this isn't going to be for you, but this comes with all kinds of great things. Comes with gloves, comes with lots of plugs, like a total of 8 packs of these, which is great. Comes with super nice, feels like a quality tool, so that's awesome. Another quality tool here, that is great. You can change the end out on these so you can push in the plugs, different sizes. You've got valve caps with a valve stem remover. You've also got 4 valves. You've got some lube and stuff for the plugs, and then you've got some regular valve caps right here, and it even comes with the Allen wrench to change the heads on these handles. Also comes with a tire gauge, comes with needle nose pliers, another valve core puller tool. I do not know what these are, so I'm going to figure out what these are and let you know. It's kind of interesting. Comes with a utility knife and another little Allen wrench. The Allen wrenches go up here. My Allen wrench is falling out. So, anyway, nice little kit, nice box. Looks like it'll last. Something that everybody should really have in their car to be able to patch a hole in a tire if you get a bad tire, or if you got issues with your spare or something like that. But a great thing to have in your vehicle, CTR tire repair kit.